Today in Crypto. A Kenyan communications strategist, Moshe Siyugu, has told African investors to be wary of investing in Bitcoin, which he claims is worth zero. Bitcoin structurally incapable of delivering on its promise. In an op-ed published by The Elephant, Siyugu insists Bitcoin, BTC, is structurally incapable of delivering on its promise of becoming an alternative store of value or a hedge against inflation. In addition, the strategist also claims Bitcoin fails both as a currency and an investment. Although he concedes that Africa has one of the highest cryptocurrency adoption rates, Siyugu cautions, however, that the top cryptocurrency's volatility and scalability issues mean it cannot act as a currency. Siyugu is quoted explaining, Bitcoin fails as a currency because of two things: volatility and scalability concerns. In its 12 years of existence, Bitcoin has maintained extremely high levels of volatility, i.e. 60% to 100% annualized. To further support this point, Siyugu makes reference to the US dollar, which he claims has an annualized volatility of 17%. Concerning the crypto asset's scalability problems, Siyugu predictably regurgitates the common arguments about Bitcoin's inefficient use of electricity and how this disqualifies it as a currency for day-to-day transactions. Bitcoin useful for cross-border remittances. Meanwhile, the strategist denies that Bitcoin is now being used extensively in El Salvador, the first country in the world to declare Bitcoin legal tender. According to Siyugu, the US dollar is still the dominant currency in El Salvador. Despite putting forward these arguments, Siyugu surprisingly agrees that sending remittances via Bitcoin is more cost-effective than using regular sending channels. He explained, the use of Bitcoin in the country is primarily for remittances by citizens working abroad to their families back home. These citizens rely on Bitcoin for cross-border money transfers to avoid the high costs that come with such transactions, and also because most citizens of El Salvador, i.e. 70%, don't have bank accounts. On why he thinks the cryptocurrency is worth zero, Siyugu uses billionaire investor Warren Buffett's past comments about Bitcoin to argue his point. In his previous remarks, Buffett had intimated the crypto asset had hallmarks of a pyramid scheme because it produces nothing. Just like Buffett, the strategist also believes Bitcoin investors have no expectations of making any future earnings except through engaging in zero-sum games with other speculators. The strategist also makes reference to how Bitcoin crashed when Elon Musk voiced his concerns about the crypto asset's energy use. Such a reaction, according to Siyugu, means Bitcoin is more susceptible to sentiments than actual fundamentals. The strategist ends this long article by conceding that Bitcoin will probably hit the $100,000 mark in the near future, as some analysts are predicting. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.